Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made a floral column using all Dollar Tree products. What you'll be seeing coming up here is a lantern that I created, and I uploaded that video about 2 weeks ago. I'll leave the link in my description box, and this is it here. I'm showing how I put it together using the Dollar Tree wood slats that they have and the little frame there. And this frame here is just a frame where they already have the sayings on them. I spray painted it gold and spray painted the sticks gold and put it together to form corners to where I would lay the other frame on top, and here it is all completed. Again, this video, I will put the link to it in my description box below. What is coming up will be the floor columns, and I'll be decorating them with flowers. The only difference is these are tall and the sticks are actually garden stakes, which are also sold at the Dollar Tree. I'm putting this together for a prom, or I did put this together for a prom because this was about 3 weeks, maybe now even a month ago. It was done in May. That's when it was done, towards the end of May. And this was for a middle school prom. You'll see I've already put one there together with the roses. Like I said, my friend, she provided everything, and she got everything from the Dollar Tree except some of the florals. Most of the flowers she already had because she's an event planner and she also sets up for different types of events. Here, she provided and this is the soft foam that cuts like butter, feels like butter when you go through. It's not very hard. She only had 2 packs and it wasn't enough, but we really didn't have time to run out to get any more, so I just split it in half, you'll see here, so I can have enough to use on all 6. Now I want to keep in mind, I want to share with you all while I'm thinking about it, the stakes that she purchased, one end of the stakes had points, so I had to end up cutting all of those, and it was a total of 24, and it was very hard because I had a handsaw, but thank goodness for my daughter. She held the sticks as I cut them all, and I did this all the night before. Now I'm going to let you all continue to watch as I put this together, and I want to thank you all for stopping by. So these are the flowers that my friend gave me, and they're all roses, different types of roses. I think these might be from, I don't know that the Dollar Tree's flowers are these big, so she might have gotten these from Joann's, but these I love. These are the ones that I used because they have that like sponge, and you can hear it, and very soft. So these are the ones that I'm using. She has a whole box full here. And then over here, she has some that looks like it might have came from the Dollar Tree. And then she added some resin. These are just actually flowers that she does events. I'm helping her out to kind of get some things done quickly because I think this is for a high school prom that I'm making these columns for. And that high school prom is tonight. Today is Friday, May, I forget, Friday, May 19th? Yes, May 19th. So I worked on the columns last night, and now I'm getting ready to put the flowers on them. And these are peonies that I think I saw, because I cut all the paper tags off of them, that I think it was from Joann's. So these are just different kinds of flowers in here, but I'm going to use all of these roses because I like the way they feel. So I am pressed for time. If you can see what that is, I need to have them to her at the school no later than 2, but I need to leave here at 12, which is in 2 more hours, because I have to pick up my grandchildren, and then my oldest daughter closes on her house, and that's at 4 o'clock, and I want to be there for her for that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.